Hosseli is not a very tidy robot. He's got a lot of junk in his yard. Stones, weird metallic objects, children's toys, you name it, he's got it. But let's take a closer look at all of that stuff and their scientific attributes. Hosseli sent you a pile of stuff from his yard, right? Okay, great. Let's look at what he's got. First, we observe the objects and make interpretations about what they are. Scientists at home, are you ready? Is Amelia ready? Okay, great. First, observe what colors do you see? Tell me, what colors do you see? Do you see red? Do you see pink? That's okay, Amelia, just continue. Scientists at home, tell your research assistant what colors you see. Pick objects up one by one and make sensory observations. How does the object feel? How heavy are they? Press play when you are ready to move on with the experiment. You really like sensory observations, don't you, Amelia? Okay, that's enough. Let's continue our research. Take your classifying boards and a magnet. Good. Now pick one object. Analyze. Is the object magnetic? No. Okay. Well, classify it to one of the classifying boards. Now take another object. Is it magnetic? Yes, okay. Classify it to the other board. Continue classifying objects as magnetic and non-magnetic by using the classifying boards. Scientists at home, classify your objects just like Amelia did. When you've classified all the objects, we can continue this research. Wow, amazing, Amelia! Hey, now you should look carefully at the classifying boards. What materials do you see on the magnetic object board? And what materials do you see on the non-magnetic board? Did something surprise you? Scientists at home, look closely at your classifying boards. What do you see? Make an interpretation. What materials attach to magnets? And Amelia, thank you for your great research. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.